Okay, today we're gonna walk down a kind of a used goods spot. Usually I've only been here on the weekends. Today is a Wednesday, I believe. But we're gonna go check in and see what it's like on a Wednesday. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is a nice little temple right here, and then this temple goes right into this kind of used goods area. So we're just gonna sneak by real quick. And then this was a little outdoor food area, which is kind of cool, actually. Let me just see. Okay, so we're going to go explore and just go check this out. It's actually a pretty cool area. Usually I think it's Sunday. Sunday it's there's all kinds of cool stuff that's open over here. So I don't know what to expect today, but we'll definitely find out. I haven't been here in a while. I have another one from the past. I'll try to put it at the end of this video so that you can see how it all fits together. But you can buy all kinds of used stuff here. You can buy used washing machines, so you can get stuff that's like just basically repaired and at a really good price. Used TVs. Actually, I think my current TV is from this place. I bought a used, really large used TV here. I think I bought it like 5 years ago too. This one they repair fans. Oh, yeah, actually this one has they got all kinds of cool stuff. Let me just check out this window real quick. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking, and I want to walk. Let's just see. Suitcases. Okay, so also in these back alleys you have even more stuff. I didn't realize it was open on Wednesdays. I guess it's every day. But if you walk around in here a little bit, you can find all kinds of cool stuff. Like that looks really cool. You can put it on your balcony. Shoes. Get a big, nice skillet. Clothing. All kinds of cool stuff. So all that stuff is for sale. And then of course, this one, wow. Kind of wouldn't mind having some kind of cool garden in my balcony where I could put stuff like that, collect it and put it out there. Anyways, so you're kind of getting a feel for this area a little bit, and we're gonna go back out to the main street again. Yeah, actually all that stuff is used stuff in there. Tires, everything. Okay, let's orient ourselves again. I think we have to go back this way. Let's see, so might have walked right out of the area a little bit. Let's see. I kind of got a big mix of stuff. I think you took a wrong turn and ended up a little bit in a different spot, but that doesn't stop us from getting a little bit sidetracked and exploring, you know. So, okay. Oh yeah. I think there's let's go up to this main street again. Macau bakery on the corner. Okay, I guess we went all the way around and there's a cinema again. So we basically kind of started at the cinema and now we're back around the corner somehow. Anyways, you got a little taste for that little market, and you can get washing machines down there. You can get all kinds of cool stuff. So we'll end it right there.